What's up guys, welcome back. So I'm here with Nadula hair. Today it says natural, durable, luxurious, and it's the same kind of box as usual, same design, everything. So let's see what's inside. Oh, as I open the box I see this really stylish case. Oh my gosh, you guys know already how much I love I really should do an ASMR makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys want me to do an ASMR makeup tutorial. That would be really nice. Really fun. I don't know if you're into that kind of stuff. I've never really tried that. I've only ever done mukbangs with food, but I'd really love to do an ASMR because I like those. I do. Anyways, so the wig is here, but before we jump into the wig, which is a beautiful color today by the way, it is also a headband wig. You guys see all those headbands, right? So I got a wig cap, I got a brush, and I do collect these brushes. I have quite a few. And we have the headbands here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 headbands. That's cool. Also got a comb. And I got this clip that says kiss. Really cute. So this is the hair. Oh, I'm gonna keep this, when you're going on the road, you have any little miscellaneous anything you just put in here. Oh, this is so cute. I absolutely love this. So yeah, for the hair now, what we got here is some Brazilian hair, and as I said before, it's a headband wig. I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig down below. They even put a headband in there, they definitely want this one to go with the wig. Isn't that cute? This hair is pretty long. This looks like 22 inches or so. So I'm gonna put the specifications down below in the description box for you guys to check. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, guys. So bomb. This hair it's super full, minimal flyaways, and I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it with my bomb flat iron even more because it is of a straight texture. It has combs on the inside, the regular headband portion has combs on the inside. It has a total of just 2 combs, one in the front, one in the back, and yeah, it does have adjustable straps as well in the back here, and this area you can adjust it more if you want. So yeah, that's how this looks. Oh my gosh, comment down below if you agree that this is a bomb color. I love this cranberry look. I feel I'm gonna rock this on the road today actually. So let's go ahead and throw this on. Right off the bat, I can tell you this hair is extremely silky. This really feels like 24 inches. I'm going to put it in my description box, as I said before though, so you guys can check it out to see all the specifications and stuff like that. I am going to go ahead and choose which headband I want to wear with this today. So we have all these headbands here that I showed you guys just now, and they put this one to go with it. Does it go? This is the top I'm wearing, beautiful black queen on my shirt. I really love this shirt. Does it go? I don't know. Or does this one looks more suitable? This I really feel like I'm gonna go with that one, with this one. I love these so much. And I'm going to just go through the hair to get it even straighter, super duper bone straight, because I got the good flat iron and stuff. So, and if you guys are not sure which flat iron I'm using, it's the Kiposi. I bought this on eBay. You can get it on Amazon too, but I bought it off eBay. I'm cheesing because I already know how bomb this is going to look once it gets even straighter. Nadula hair, you did it with this one. like minimal shedding. With headband wigs on a whole, I realized that way less shedding happens with these wigs, you know. So you know, that's a plus. Look at that. And usually with this flat iron, I don't have to do more than one pass through the hair. This goes all the way down now. Gorgeous. I'm gonna do this to the entire wig and I'll come back. You're driving me crazy. Exactly how I expected it to, guys. Like very minimal flyaways. It's so flowy. You could be doing barely anything, like barely moving, and it's super flowy. Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. But yeah, and this is how I'm going to rock it. I'm actually going on the road right now. I'm gonna rock this hair exactly as is. Like, I'm just in love with it. And they even put a little bit of layers in there. Like, that's nice. Nadula hair, you did it with this wig. You really did. You really did. This wig is a 10. This wig is a 10 for me. It is. It is. I'm going to put all the information, as I said before, down below. The density, the length, all that good stuff. The direct link where you can purchase this. And guys, Black Friday sale is going on. So you can go ahead and check out my description box for further information on that. If I do have any discount codes, check the description. It's so important to check the description box. Like, why would you not check the description box? Check it. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, because your girl is very frequent. Okay, your girl is very frequent. It's Christmas time, by the way. You guys know how that is. It's Vlogmas time. Vlogmas time. By the time you see this video, I'm guessing, I don't know, probably next week, probably a couple days away. Just keep up, and to keep up, go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, if you're not yet subscribed, that is. And turn on your post notification bells, because sometimes, honestly, a lot of people tell me that they're not even getting the notifications. I don't know what that's about, but just keep up to date with the girl. Follow me on Instagram as well, because once I post a video, I always post it over there so you guys can know. So just keep up with me, you know. My Instagram name is always on the screen, so go ahead and check that out. It's Petite Essence with a number 3. It's been a while since I've given you a natural hair update, so I'm going to be doing one of those like soon, like very soon, like soon, like a couple, probably the day after tomorrow, I don't know. But go ahead and check it out. Stay tuned to my channel, because my growth oil is currently on sale. Alright, way more than half of the stock is sold out, so you don't want to miss that. Check out Divinity Glam on Instagram for all updates, and yeah, that's where you can go ahead and DM and purchase oil if you're interested. Like, the support is so real, and I'm so appreciative of everybody that has supported. It really means a lot to me, like so much. The support, man, I'm just humbled by it, honestly. So thank you guys so much, so much for your continuous support. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Nadula hair show out again. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and wake up on a nice clean self. Bye. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.